Hello and welcome to FieldBoss. Today, we will discuss filters. Filters can help you find entities that meet certain criteria. You can use a filter on any table, on any field that has a downward arrow to the right of it. To access the filtering function in FieldBoss, simply click the downward facing arrow beside the field you wish to filter by. Then, click the Filter By button. Once you click this button, you should be able to see two text boxes. The first text box outlines the type of filter that you would wish to use. These types include equals, contains, begins with, ends with, and does not equal. The next field allows you to make selections on what you want to filter for. For example, within account type, I can look for owners, property managers, competitors, or consultants. Let's say I wanted to look for owners. I would simply click this checkbox here, then click Apply. If you find yourself applying the same filters over and over to a given view, you should create a new view with the filters preset in it using the Advanced Find function. To learn more about this, check out our video on the topic Advanced Find. You should now feel comfortable with filtering in FieldBoss. If you are interested in learning more, reach out to a FieldBoss consultant or check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.